I lost 160 subscribers this month compared to last month. What's going on? Stay tuned to the end of the video to discover why your subscriber count went down, how to compare last month's subscription status with this month's subscription status, how subscribers work, how to view your most recent subscriber count, and how to fix the problems associated with subscribers not receiving notifications. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever experienced your subscriber count dropping or changing? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Here are some reasons why a subscriber count may be dropping. Number one, it's normal to see fluctuations in your subscriber count from month to month. Viewers will subscribe and unsubscribe depending on the content that you produce. If it's content that they love to watch and it resonates with them, they'll probably subscribe. If you suddenly upload content that's vastly different to the previous content, you might lose subscribers. Number two, YouTube removes spam subscribers. Sometimes you'll see a noticeable decrease in your subscriber count as YouTube removes spam subscriptions. YouTube regularly verifies the legitimacy of accounts and actions on your channel. Spam subscribers tend to hide their behavior and subscribe to a variety of channels. Number three, YouTube removes closed accounts from your channel. Affected accounts can either be closed by the user or terminated by YouTube because they violated YouTube's policies, like sub for sub. When someone closes their Google account, they don't exist anymore on YouTube. This means they don't count toward your subscriber count. The same applies to spam accounts. They don't contribute toward your subscriber count on your channel. Another factor is the pandemic. At the beginning of the pandemic, I got a ton more subscribers than I usually get because many people were working from home. Now that many people have returned to work, I get much less subscribers than at the beginning of the pandemic. Hey, if you're getting value from the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified of new content every week. Here's how to compare the number of subscribers you gained last month compared to this month. Click your profile icon, click YouTube Studio, click Analytics, click Advanced Mode, click Subscription Status, click Compare To, select Period Over Period. On the left here it says last 28 days from September 1st to September 28th. In Custom, I've got August 4 to 31st, so I'm going to change that. Click Custom, August 1st to August 28th. Click Apply. Number of people not subscribed, 280,079, compared to August, 285,798. Number of people that subscribed in September, 5998. Number of people that subscribed in August, 6138. Let's check the calculator. 6138 minus 5998 equals. So my monthly subscriber rate is down 140 subscribers compared to the month before. What's going on? When you subscribe to a channel, you'll see new videos in your subscriptions feed. They'll also appear on your home screen at youtube.com or on the YouTube app, along with recommendations for channels and videos that you're interested in. When a viewer first joins YouTube, their subscription status is set to private by default. Keep in mind that email notifications for new video uploads, live streams, and premieres went away August 13th, 2020. YouTube decided to do away with email notifications because not many people were opening their emails. The good thing is you'll still be notified on mobile via the YouTube app and on your desktop computer via the Chrome browser if you have notifications turned on. If you go to YouTube dashboard and look under channel analytics, you'll see your current subscribers for your channel, the number of subscribers you've gained in the last 28 days. If you scroll down, you'll see a recent subscribers card. If you click see all, you'll see the 100 most recent people that have subscribed to your channel. You'll see the date they subscribed and the subscriber count. You can also change it from last 90 days to 7, 28, 365, or even lifetime. Your subscriber count reflects how many people are following the content on your YouTube channel. Your audience will only see a shortened version of your subscriber count. The public subscriber count is shortened depending on the number of subscribers of your YouTube channel. Here's a chart showing your public subscriber counts. For example, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, then your public subscriber count updates for every one new subscriber. Did you know that YouTube also rounds off the subscriber count to the public? Here's a chart to show how your subscriber count will be displayed publicly. For example, if your channel has 1,234 subscribers, then your public subscriber count is 1.23 thousand subscribers. Your next public subscriber count will be 1.24 thousand subscribers. For example, the public subscriber count for my YouTube channel is 71.1 thousand subscribers. If I log into my YouTube dashboard, the subscriber count is a little different, 74,191 subscribers. Social Blade is a great website to see the live subscriber count for your YouTube channel. Just enter your YouTube channel name in the search box, then click Live Subscriber Count. You'll also be able to get future subscriber count projections for your channel. Later on, I'll share 3 hot tips about how you can attract more subscribers. If subscribers are not receiving notifications of your new video uploads, then they won't be watching your videos and you won't receive as many views. Here are some things to check. Number 1, ask viewers to check their settings. Almost all notification issues are caused by viewer notification settings. To check your notifications, log into your YouTube channel and click on Settings and then Notifications, or you can go to youtube.com/account_notifications. Enable desktop notifications if you want notifications in your browser from Chrome. Enable all the notifications under your preferences. Number 2, notify subscribers when uploading videos. When you upload a video, check the box that says Publish to the Subscriptions feed and allow notifications to subscribers. You might also want to check Allow Embedding. If your notification is not working and you want to know how to fix it, click the link in the description. Number 3, check how often you've posted in the last 24 hours. Viewers receive a maximum of 3 new video notifications in a 24-hour period. Number 4, avoid publishing videos in bulk. If you publish more than 3 videos in a short period of time, YouTube may temporarily stop sending notifications for 24 hours. Bulk publishing videos may overwhelm the notification systems in YouTube. If you publish multiple videos at a time, try setting them to private first and then publish them at different times. Number 5, keep videos public after publishing. It typically takes 10 to 20 minutes for notifications to be sent. If you quickly change your video's privacy setting to private, then YouTube will stop sending notifications. Viewers get a maximum of 3 notifications in a 24-hour period. This includes video uploads, premieres, and live streams. You can only send 1 community post notification in a 3-day period. Number 6, viewers have their device notifications turned off. Viewers may not be aware they've turned off notifications on their device settings. These settings will override the settings in the YouTube app. Also, if they've turned off Chrome notifications in the settings, then it will override the YouTube settings for Chrome notifications. Here are 3 hot tips to attract more subscribers. Number 1, create content that your audience is interested in. To do that, create videos on keyword phrases that people are typing into the search engines. Number 2, create an eye-catching thumbnail. If your viewers don't click on your thumbnail, they're not going to watch your video. And if they don't watch your video, you're not going to get any new subscribers. Number 3, create an engaging video. If you want to get free promotion from YouTube with your videos appearing in YouTube search and suggested videos, then you have to create a video that's engaging for your audience. If you get a high click-through rate and a high watch time, you'll increase the probability of your video appearing in suggested videos. Have you noticed that sometimes your YouTube notifications are not working? If that's a yes, watch my next video on why YouTube notifications are not working and how to fix it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.